Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here in Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida, and today we're here for the Australia Insider Tour. We're gonna go around, see how they care for these animals, get to know a little bit more about the kangaroos and koalas and wallabies, whatever they got inside there in Australia. It's gonna be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, like Louis said, we're here in the good old Busch Gardens today. We're gonna go see their kangaroo friends and feed them and check them out. You ready?
Let's go.
Alright, how much did this cost?
This tour was $31.
A piece?
Yep.
Alright, so comment down, link down below where we were at the Animal Care Center in our last video, which was a ton of fun, and that was a little bit more affordable, but you don't get to feed the animals. So let's go.
And as far as affordability goes, this is one of the more affordable options here at Busch Gardens. They have some tours that go up to $100 or more. All right, so the tour has begun and we're gonna walk in and see the birds first, so let's go. Oh, look at all the kangaroos.
Fuji. Hi, bro. Hi.
Are we allowed to pet them?
Hey, sweetheart. Oh, he's soft.
Okay.
He's very soft.
Yeah.
Be careful with his tail.
Yeah.
Right?
Watch his tail.
Oh, yeah,
Watch
super
his
soft.
tail.
It's like down.
Yeah, he's very soft.
Yeah.
He's very social too.
Oh.
Well, this is Paco. She is our white umbrella cockatoo that we have here at Busch Gardens. So she gets her name the umbrella cockatoo because she's got this beautiful crest at the top of her head. We'll see if she hooks it up for us. Oh, you gonna show off? Yeah, they've got the mindset of a toddler. So along with them shredding up all of your furniture, your items, they also have toddler tantrums. So they can scream very loud. Just overall nuisances in that department.
Kangaroos digging.
Oftentimes there will be a lot of tantruming. Paco will scream in the morning. She loves everybody in general. She's honestly like a pretty mellow bird. But she does particularly love men with beards.
Okay.
But yeah.
Gonna have a best friend.
Do you guys have any questions about Paco? No? Do you guys want to take pictures with her? I can't put her on your arm because she will attach and stay with you, and I don't want her to. You have to take care of her. Zip, what are you doing, pretty bird? Hi, Paco.
Hi, Paco.
Oh, very happy.
Oh, you gonna dance? Are we gonna dance?
Yeah.
Yes! We love dancing!
Whoa, she's
Oh,
really
my
going.
goodness.
All right.
You have me the best friends.
I also took a video of this.
Thank you.
Beard, right! Hi, Paco.
Hi, Paco.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys want to take a picture with
That was
her?
the best thing I've seen all day.
No pictures? No worries. All right, well, if you guys don't have any more questions, I'm going to hand you back over to Mariah and take you through the kangaroo portion of the tour.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye, Paco.
Bye-bye. Oh, there
Bye.
it is.
So these gray ones here are Eastern grays, and then the darker ones are Western grays.
Okay.
I did not realize that there were different types of kangaroos, apparently from different parts of Australia. Sweet potatoes, okay.
You gonna come say hi to me?
You can pet these two on the back. She doesn't like to be pet, but she will eat.
Hey, sweetheart. Here you
Her
go.
name is 11. If you see Stranger Things, she's named after.
Hi.
She says you can put it in her hand, in your hand.
Okay. Oh, you just want to eat it out of the thing?
Or you could try over here and try Miss Hannah.
That was the most delicate eat I've ever seen.
Try a little sweet potato here.
Hannah is the
Oh, she's so delicate. No, that's it. All done. Okay. She took all my sweet potatoes. Oh, you know, so then there's one left, but she took them all.
She just picked out the sweet potatoes. Huh?
Apparently, Paco liked you more than the Eastern roos, huh?
Yeah, you gotta get some kangaroos raised by men with beards, I guess.
Yeah. All right, so we're going back over to where we were with Paco to see the rest of the herd.
group 4 and 11, the dark.
Okay, so these are more red kangaroos.
You can feed these or the whitish one.
Okay.
Okay.
She actually will eat the pellets. She's
Oh.
the only ones that will.
You like pellets? I'll give you the pellets. There you go.
Rain. She's our youngest kangaroo.
Okay.
She just turned 1 in July.
Aw, happy late birthday, Rain.
Her mother is actually right there, Joan.
Okay.
Her older sister is right there, Jasmine.
Yeah. Aw, fun.
She's gonna clean this out of pellets.
Actually gave birth twice last year
Oh, yeah?
because they have 2 uteruses,
Oh,
so they
oh.
can be perpetually pregnant.
Wow.
Can we pet
They're
them?
only
Yeah.
pregnant for about a month before they give birth.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So
She
soft.
had River first, had her in a pouch for about 6 months, and then picked her out.
She's coming closer. She wants more pellets.
Yeah, that's so awesome. You're precious. Would you like a sweet potato? I can give you a sweet potato. There you go. Hi, baby. You're so pretty. Would you like to eat out of my cup? That was so fun.
She's like still half asleep, just like
Yeah.
feed me pellets.
They're so cute, though. I think I'll take one from you, and then I'll take another one from you. Would you like some more? I'll give you some more.
She likes your pellets better.
Yeah, I think she likes me the most. A bunch of pellets? No, not interested. Yeah. You're a good eater. Oh, okay. May I pet you? Can I pet you? You're very soft. I'm all out. I'm sorry. I'm all out.
Oh. Yeah, she's real interested. She's like, yeah, well, yeah, give me them pellets.
Jane, would you like a sweet potato?
That's why you're one of my favorites. It's so cute.
Would you like one?
It's finally done sugar.
Oh, so we're a lady. We only take one bite at a time. Very smart. I will say Rain did not do that. Rain took all the kibbles.
Okay, you can have all of them. Oh, you just want the sweet potatoes, huh? Okay. One last one. There you go. Good job. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our time over the Australian Insider Tour. So here are your pro tips. Pro tip number 1 is I would say, if you can, grow a beard. That cockatoo is going to love you. All right, pro tip number 2 is you do get an extra refill, and the animals are actually really interested to eat your food. So if you go through there normally and you pay like the $10 for the regular food, typically they don't want any. So this is a great opportunity if you're really wanting to feed the kangaroos. And pro tip number 3 is just watch where you step. Don't step on their tails. Obviously, they don't like that. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really helps out. With that being said, we're out of here. We'll see you next weekend.
Bye. Stay still, bro.
You keep coming too close.
I'm not too close. I am exactly where I need to be. Take a step back. Thank you.
I feel like you're too close.
Yeah, this is a great shot.
All right. Hey.